You might think that an image gallery is just for browsing, renaming, sharing, and deleting images. But with Mateo FL, there's so much more you can do. Let's see together what you can do more. You can merge several images acquired in different modes and channels. You can also perform various measurements of distances, areas, signal intensity, view the measurement data, and generate reports. Using AI-powered algorithms, you can determine the average cell confluency, the total cell count, and the transfection efficiency from different regions. And if you have a golden sample to use as a template, with just one click, you can easily apply the same settings to the next acquisition. Mateo FL for reliable, reproducible, advanced cell checks.